Welcome to our school management and e-learning system demo website. Okay, this is indeed an advanced data processing, virtual learning and school management system. You can see right now that we have two prototypes we've created. Okay, so we're going to just demo this first one, which is completely holistically ready for schools to use. Actually, this is for nursery, primary and secondary institutions, but of course we also integrated the preschool, which is the crèche here. The tertiary university is on demand. Once you need this, we will create exactly and customize exactly the school management system and e-learning system that you need. Okay, let's start going, because we want you to be an affiliate. We also want schools to use this application of the web solution as quickly as possible. Let's see. Then we click this. Let's test this out. So right now we are going to put in our information. Let's start with your email. You can actually register with your email or your reg number or your username, depending on how you signed up. Of course, you put your password. Okay, after putting in your login credentials, of course, this is your access code area. So let me just make a little mistake with that so that we'll see what feedback we expected to get. So this kind of feedback we get if you do not have the password or your PIN, or maybe your email is still inactive in our database. Okay, so let me complete that carefully and then click login. So if you have everything correctly imputed, you'll be able to log in, and you can see that well logged in. So I logged in as actually super user, that's the manager of the application. So let's see what this looks like on a desktop view. Isn't it beautiful? Very beautiful. I believe it's beautiful. Okay, so right away you can actually check out your themes. You have a lot of themes here. Okay, whatever you want your theme to look like, you can get that working. You can see this theme, you can see the theme, you can see that theme. So these are different themes depending on what you will love. There's a lot of things here, Let me go back to the mobile view. A lot of things here I believe you will love to know. So these are all the features that comes with this application. You can see they are very robust and each one of them works. Okay, so thank you so much. We hope that you will get our schools, and schools will have to see this ad to be able to call us in and get themselves using this very superior quality school management system and e-learning facility integrated. Thank you so much, and God bless you.